So welcome to today's class, and today's class is about reasoning and aptitude for bank exam competitive exam. Today's topic is about geometrical shapes, okay, and this is lecture 16. In the previous lectures I have already given you all the link below in the description. So let us start, and today's topic is geometrical shapes, okay, in reasoning and competitive. This is very important for all the competitive exams. So first let me give you all the geometrical shape, the concept of geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes come from geometry, which is the math of shape made of points and lines. Some shapes are simple, such as the triangle, square, and circle, while other shapes are complex. While solving non-verbal reasoning based on geometrical shapes, following points are important. So here are some points which are very important. You all can take down this, okay? Next, moving further, that is largest parameter. There are four, okay? Largest parameter, symmetrical figure, counting geometrical shapes, and net of a cube. So let us see what is the largest parameter part. If the length of a figure does not change but width changes, then the figure having largest width have the largest parameter. Second point says that under symmetrical figure, if a line divides a figure into two identical parts, then the figure is symmetrical and the line is called line of symmetry. The third one is counting geometrical shapes. In order to count the geometrical shapes, we identify the shapes and solids by their names and images. Last, fourth, net of a cube. Net is a pattern that we can cut and fold to make a model of a solid shape. A net of a cube has 6 faces, and when folded, it forms a box. Okay, let us take some examples. So moving towards the example, how many, I can take down this, how many horizontal lines are there in the given figure? Here, how many horizontal lines are there? The option is basically the 8 one. Okay. The option D is the correct option. Now why option D is the correct option? Here given figure is symmetrical about the dotted line. So here you all can see in this figure. Okay. Now number of horizontal lines on the left of dotted line is 4. Right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also there will be 4. So how many there? Total 8. Right? 1 will be this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are total 8. So I can write down. Hence the total number of horizontal line is 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8. 2 4s are 4 2s are 8. So next, moving towards the next example. Keeping in mind the geometric shape, find the odd one out. So here D will be the odd one because here's the explanation. D1 is the odd one, okay? An explanation is right over here. Figure given in option A, B, C and E have exactly one line of symmetry. Figure given in option D has no line of symmetry. There is no line of symmetry for F, okay? That's why this is a odd one. And this is the correct option, okay? You all can take down this. Next, moving towards the next example. So keeping in mind the geometrical shape, find out the odd one. Okay, this we have already done, right? And this is the F1 is the odd one out. Moving towards the next example, let us see which of the following is a net cube. So from this option A, option B, option C, D and E is given. Now which one is the correct option? Option D is the correct option. Because only figure given in option D can fold to make a model of solid shape. Okay. Next, moving towards the next example, let us see the next example. Here you all can take down the explanation part, okay? Here it is, explanation part. So moving towards the next example, let us see this example. Number of circle in the given figure is, how many circle you can see here? There is one circle over here, 2, 3, 4, and in between there is one more circle. Which one it is? Here, 5. Okay. Yeah, this is the different circle. You'll have to see. Okay, so let us see. 5 is the correct option, right? So here I have given it to you all. So 5 is the correct option, okay, from here. This you all can take down, okay. And the explanation part also let me give you all. So the option 5 was the correct option, because and the explanation part also I gave you all here, okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, and somewhere there is a this thing 5 over here, okay. This particular thing will be of 5, okay. This circle which all can see here, okay. So take down this explanation part from here. Next, moving towards the next example. The next example says what? Number of triangles in the given figure is, so number of triangles in the given figure is, how many figures you all can see? So we have to see the number of figures. So here option C will be the correct option. Explanation is on the next page, obviously. Here is the explanation part, okay. Here triangle R, see I have given some names A, B, C, O and P, okay. So A, B, P, A, B, P, okay. Next will be A, C, P. Next will be A, B, C, A, O, P, A, O, B. Triangles, name of the triangles in the figure. A, O, C, all can take this triangle, or O, B, P. O, B, P. All the possible outcomes. O, C, P. O, C, P and O, B, C. Okay. So therefore the number of triangle is 8. So basically there are how many triangles? 8. Next, moving further, you all can take down this explanation part. Next, moving towards the next example. Which one of the following figure has a line of symmetry? So from this, which of the following figure has a line of symmetry? This is obvious. Obviously B is the correct option, right? Obviously this B is the correct option. Why B is the correct option? You all can take down the question only first example. Okay. An explanation part, let me give it to you all. Explanation part is right over here. Okay. Only the figure given option B has a line of symmetry, okay. So here what you all can do is, this is having a line of symmetry, okay. So you all can take down this explanation part. Next, moving towards the next example, let us see. How many line of symmetry are there in the figure? Okay, you all can see the figure, right? Option A is what? Options are given 0, 1, 2, 4 and none of this. So here option C is the correct option. Now why option C is the correct option? Because in the middle one line can pass, right? Here. And here also. So basically there are how many? 2, right? So let me give you all the explanation part. So here is the explanation part why C was the correct option, okay. There are 2 lines of symmetry in the given figure. Exactly 2 lines, okay. That's why option C was the correct option. Here option C was the correct option, okay. You can take down this. Next, So moving towards the next example, let us see which one of the following has more than one line of symmetry. So let us see. So this one is having one line, this one is also having one line, here also there is one line. So basically option is E1, right? None of this. You all can take down the explanation part. I gave you all the explanation part, okay? But option E is the correct option. None of this, because all the figures have exactly one line of symmetry. Okay, explanation is here. Okay, I can take down the explanation. All the figures have exactly one line of symmetry. This is the explanation part. Okay. So I'll wind up my class here only today, and in the next class the topic will be mirror images. So I hope you all have understood. Okay. And if you all have understood, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends, because these concepts are very important for the bank exam and any other competitive exams. So please keep supporting, and thanks for watching. The link is in the below, okay? The next lectures playlist of bank exam.